Atma says, still sometimes, like yesterday, I felt a strong nervousness when one situation happened and I expected me to be already beyond it. Yes. Then it is very good. Then it is very good that it happened. And I saw in that moment, seemed like I was still enslaved in that. Yes. But it was just not true. Just felt so unfree, wanted to come out from that feeling. But actually, it is very good that this situation happened because there was a conclusion or a proclamation which was believed that the person that is here now is free from something. It was another personal conclusion or a personal proclamation. It is very good that this came up because you see that even this proclamation we cannot make, or even this conclusion we cannot make. All personal conclusions are false. All personal conclusions are false. So even the truest conclusion, it could be a conclusion like I am that, or it could even be a conclusion like I am awareness. But if it's still coming from the person saying this, that the person has now become awareness, then it is still false. Because all personal conclusions are false. You see this? Cornelia says, same here, Atma, yes. Oh, Rashmi also says, same here this very morning. Atma says, yes, true, I saw it clearly, all is false. Very good that you bring up this point. It's very good. And this seems to be a common ailment by the reactions that we are getting, we can see. So, any conclusion you can make about the person is just another perpetuating belief for the false one or for the imagined one. If you have really seen that the imagined person just does not exist, then who are we saying is beyond it? Who are we saying is untouched by nervousness or fear or any? We can replace nervousness or fear with any conclusion that we can make about ourselves. What conclusion is it? Whose proclamation is it? Is it that we are saying that being is now free, but being was always free? So even when we are saying that now I am the awareness alone, it does not mean that the person has become awareness somehow. It only means the idea of the person has been dropped, and I see that I was always the awareness alone. This is a very good point. It's a little subtle, so stay with me if you're missing it. The point is not that the person becomes something. I feel all of you must hear this. It is not that the person is now free. It is not that the person has understood something. It is only that the person idea itself is dropped. And it is seen that only witnessing was ever present. Only awareness was ever present. And that is my true nature. So we're not referring to the person as my now. It is not become the person's true nature to become awareness. The person never ever existed. The person has always only been imagination. And we are talking about the real now. I hope this is clear and we can keep talking about this because this seems to be a common thread which comes up this week. That there are many people who are now understanding it. But the point is, now this person itself must be shown the door. There's not so much interest for people to be understanding it. Atma says, true, true, Father, all which comes from personal space are false. Exactly. Exactly. All conclusions about the person, all ideas about the person, no matter how glorious they might sound, are still false. We must all be completely clear about this. Very good. You streamer. Okay, Kapil says this happens very often here as well. It's very good that it's getting exposed in satsang, because if this just becomes, even at the end of the journey, it seems like the person has become free, then the journey is not complete. The journey, which actually never really started, because your true nature is awareness itself, but the seeming journey is not complete. If at the end of the seeming journey there's still a person who says, I am free now.